Ikinya ria thirikari kuhinga nduka nene ya wendia wa indo cia China no rithiete na mbere na gukirirwo. Umuthi Arutwo University ya KU makiyumiria makihe thirikari mukana wa kumihingura ihinda-ini ria thikũ ithatu.
Government says that they are protecting the Kenyan businesses by closing a place where the common mwananchi, the common hustler would have received some of the commodities at a very cheaper price. It is very bad that the president has never said anything about the China Square saga. We are just wondering, was he really ready to help the common mwananchi?
We are calling for the reopening of the China Square.
Maugite oriri bururi uthiete na mbere na kugumirwo ni mathina kihirita wagi wa mawira, thogora wa muturire kwambatira hamwe na magi. Thirikari ibatie gukorwo ikigacirithia riera ria wonjoria bururi-ini na kuguciriria igithia niguo gutura mieke ya mawira.
There is so much unemployment amongst the youth populace in our country, and we were promised by this current regime that they would empower the youths through the hustler funds and also through capital so that they can start small, medium business enterprises. But up to now, the only hustler fund that you can access is so little and cannot even start any business.
Arutwo aya oho nimokiriire minister wa wonjoria guku bururi-ini Moses Kuria makiuga miario yake ya kuingata wonjoria thi cia nanja makimuhoya kuunira kanua ithigi na kuigiririka wira-ini wake.
Kindly desist from making reckless comments or statements that may scare away investors from our country, because as a country we cannot grow without development partners.
Matogoretio ni Dennis Kagi, arutwo aya moritie thirikari kwihika kunyihia thogora wa muturire makihoya atongoria gwikirira guteithia mundu wa thi kwiyukiriria kuma thina-ini.
We would wish kindly make help a grant so that we can enjoy, and as comrades who at times go for long holidays, we would wish to use that money to start those small, micro and medium enterprises that you promised during your campaigns, so that we can embrace that notion of your campaigns of the bottom-up economic model.
We are telling the government not even to think about, because comrades already are suffering even with the amount of fee that is there. So I want to call upon the government, as young people, as youth of this country, we must not take that direction. We must consider our youths and give them a priority.
Dukeno ya ihingurwo ni thirikari kiumia giki thutha wa gutwarithia mihang'o yayo kwa ihinda ria wiki ithatu, ihinda-ini riria ikoretwo ikiguciriria kihiri kia aguri aria makoretwo makihura guku kugura indo ngurani. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma nduka-ini ya China Square gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Ruiru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ritwa riakwa ni Mathew Ndung'u.